Okay, guys, so I've got my phone in my hand because I have to make sure my camera is lined up here. This is one of the evening exercises that I've been doing, and I got to tell you, if you've never done this before, you're going to feel it. I was only able to do it a couple of times my first week, so this is the beginning of my third week. I was only able to do it a couple of times my second week. This hurts, but I guess I don't know if I'm doing it right or not, but I'm just putting my legs against the wall. I mean, my back against the wall, trying to keep my shins straight up and down, and then sliding down until my legs are level, like this. And then just holding that for as long as I can. Now, I am not Superman. I can't hold this for very long at all. It tears the top of my legs. I can't think of what that's called right now. My thighs. It tears my thighs up. And I'm telling you, this is painful. Okay, that's enough. I don't know how long that was, but that's as long as I can do. Otherwise, I fall to the floor if I try to go any longer. I told you I was going to show you some of my evening exercises, and this is one of them. And man, I don't know what they call this exercise, but it hurts. It's, let me set my phone down here on this weight. It's not an easy exercise, and you feel it in your thighs right here. What are these called? Your quads? I don't know. I don't know what they're called. But you really feel it. And it gets your heart rate going too. So, not knowing what it's called or anything else, I'm going to do it again. And this is what I do. This is one of the things I do in the evening. I do several things. I'll show you some more as the week goes on. Let's go down and do this again. Now, I'm trying not to push with my hands on my legs at all. I'm just letting them rest there. And, you know, I don't know how long I sit like this. I know it's probably not very long because I already feel like I'm going to fall on the floor. But, yeah, that's all I can do. Man, that hurts. I imagine over time, the more I do this, the stronger those muscles will get and the longer I'll be able to do it. It's not something that's easy. I've had a long day at work. Putting your back against the wall, stepping away from the wall with your back against the wall, and then sliding down into the seated position and just holding yourself there. Man, that really works those legs. I'm going to say that's way harder on my legs than squats. I don't know why. I don't understand the science behind it or anything, but that's way harder. That's why I do these in the evening. I said in last Friday's video, I believe, that I wasn't pushing myself on the squats too much because I still need to be able to get out and ride my bike all day and do my job. And yes, I use my motorcycle for my job. I need to be able to do that and balance, because I'm going to tell you, by the time I do 3 of these, I'm walking around and my legs are like shaking. It's difficult to just sit down and stand back up for a couple of hours. And I know I'm not even doing this for very long. I mean, it's not like I'm sitting here for minutes on end. I'm only doing this for a few seconds at a time. But the trick, from what I've seen, is to get your legs level. If you're cheating and have your legs at a 45 degree, okay, that's it. I about fell, and I don't want to fall on that plug. That'll hurt. If you're not keeping your legs, the top of your legs, your thighs, if you're not keeping them level with the ground, if you're at an angle like this or whatever, I'm sure it'll help, but it's not really working those muscles like what I'm doing is. What I'm doing now with these wall exercises, I call them, man, that puts some pressure on your thigh muscles, and it gets your heart rate going, yeah, and your breathing going, and everything else going. And I'm just trying to show you these home exercises that I'm doing, because I'm not just working out with dumbbells. I'm doing a myriad of other things so that I can rebuild my strength. So the reason I'm doing these is because when I was doing tree service work, I used to pile a bunch of branches on top of each other. Instead of dragging one or two at a time, I'd make a big pile, and then I'd grab an arm load and I would back across the yard to get to the truck. And that really works those muscles. And of course, climbing a tree, you're working those muscles. And yes, I am bow-legged as hell. I've been bow-legged since I was born. So, you want to comment about that? Go ahead. You're not going to hurt my feelings. It's funny, when somebody comments a comment that they think hurts you, like, damn man, if I was as bow-legged as you, I'd be working on a farm. I grew up on a farm. That doesn't hurt my feelings. Trolls just get deleted on this channel. I've been on YouTube long enough. I don't let the trolls get to me, and I'm not going to give them their 15 minutes of fame by talking about their comments and things. That comment that I just said was just a fictitious, made-up comment in my mind. Nobody actually commented that, but I'm just saying that I don't deal with trolls. I just throw them in the trash. So this is a short video, but it's a short workout. I still have more exercises to do for the evening, but this is the first one. It's a Monday, day 11. So I did my regular workout this morning, and now I'm showing you this week. I promised you I would show you my evening workouts and go through each exercise. So day 11, evening workout. This is just one exercise of it. I'll see you tomorrow.